Hey guys, Rhino here. So today I'm gonna be removing my bumper for the second time. This time we're gonna be fixing this right here. What's been happening is that sometimes I'm not paying attention when I'm winching in, and the winch is so strong that it pulled the plate inwards. So right now the rollers, they're not sitting straight, as you can see, and it's creating an issue here with the edge of the inside of the bumper. You know, the winch line rubs against this, so I gotta get this fixed today. So I'm gonna take it out, take it to my uncle, and hopefully he'll be able to put it back in place nice and the way it's supposed to be. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be pulling out these plugs that I installed myself. I know it's not pretty, okay, so don't judge me. However, yeah, I installed these plugs to make it easier when removing that bumper, so I wouldn't have to mess with the lights as much. And as you can see, my winch is in here. I'm gonna be removing the camera connection because I have a camera mounted on the front of the bumper, and again more plugs over there for the fog lights. All right, so let's see. That's the camera that I was telling you about. I use it for when I'm climbing up and I'm not able to see the road. I can see through my stereo. I can see what's in front of me. So at least if there's any big rocks or anything on my way, I can tell before I keep going. Okay, I got them all disconnected. Next, I have to unhook the winch. The cables to the winch, the power right here. So I have to open my I have this power interrupter, so I gotta unmount this, open it, and release that cable right there, so my winch will be free to move. All right, and of course the ground too. So let's do it. Okay, so now that we remove all the wires, now I need to remove this right here. 1, 2, 3. Let me see, where's the other one? Right here. So there's 3 of them. Okay. I need to remove the bolts for the winch, which these are gonna go first to allow me to get into the back of these bolts over here, and same on this side. So we are practically 10 bolts away from removing this thing. So let's get to it. And there you have it. So I removed it again. I'm gonna be installing horn blasters, you know, since I have it out. I'm gonna be removing this horn. This is from China. Don't buy it, don't waste your money on it. It's just crap. However, you know, I got a horn blasters and I'll be installing it once I put the bumper back. And right now I need to finish removing the winch so I can take the bumper to my uncle, get it fixed. Okay guys, the winch is out. Yeah, I know my line is really messed up. I don't really care about the line since the last time I broke it, so I just been using it like that. Once I get this fixed, I'm gonna be putting a brand new line and everything too. So right here, let me show you what's going on here. You see that? That's the plate. There should be no gap in there. But of course, you know, when they were weld, they only tap it, you know, like 1, 2, and 3. So the winch is so strong, you know, that whenever I didn't pay attention and pull it in too much, it literally, you know, ripped the plate off its place and pull it in, you know, giving me issues and whatnot. You see that right here? So let's take it to my uncle, see if we can get it fixed, and we'll put it back on.